Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail profile picture in just a few moments. Let's jump right on in. First, you want to make sure that you're in your Gmail and you're signed in. Then, go to the top right corner and click on your current profile picture. If you don't have one yet, it might just show your initial. So you'll click here, and then you'll click here. And then at the bottom it says add profile picture. And then they have some illustrations to choose from. They have animals. But to choose a photo from your computer, you'll go here, upload from computer. You'll click on the photo that you want, press open, and then you'll crop the image how you like, and then you'll press next. And if this is how you like it, then you'll save as profile picture, and then you're done. And that's it. Your Gmail profile picture is updated. If this was helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.